The Ohio Program for Campus Safety and Mental Health welcomes you to today's webinar. We will take a look at Campus Community Collaborative Grants, previously known as Collaborative Program Development Grants. We will look at past recipients, how they utilized the funding, and the steps you need to take to apply. Grant history. Ohio Program for Campus Safety and Mental Health celebrates more than 10 years of funding and supporting campus community partnerships. OPCSMH Collaborative Program Development Grant is now Campus Community Collaborative Grants, or CCG for short. Over the past 10 years, CCG has provided over $400,000 in funding to 100+ institutions of higher education in 63 out of the 88 Ohio counties. The purpose of the Campus Community Collaborative Grant: support the development of suicide prevention, mental health promotion, and stigma reduction programs for campus faculty, staff, and students at Ohio's institutions of higher education. Promote collaboration between colleges and universities and community stakeholders to develop programming to prevent suicide, promote mental health, and reduce stigma about mental illness or its treatment on campus. Some of our stakeholders include campus counseling centers and departments, campus health centers or clinics, consumer student advocacy organizations, academic departments, community health agencies, mental health agencies. Who is eligible? Not-for-profit institutions of higher education, associated student groups of not-for-profit institutions of higher education, alcohol and drug addiction, mental health, ADAMH, boards or the local NAMI chapters within the state of Ohio. Past recipients are still eligible to apply. Not eligible: campuses receiving Garrett Lee Smith Campus Grant Funds. Allowable grant expenses: travel for consult, trainer travel, travel for continued education, food and meal expenses as part of a per diem for someone on travel status. Grant funds may be used both to develop these materials and/or to purchase such materials from an organization that provides them. Non-allowable grant expenses: food or meal expenses. Funds must not be used for assessment or treatment services. Programming supported by the grant: provide training programs in collaboration with and for students and campus personnel to respond effectively to students with mental and behavioral health problems. For colleges and universities that do not have comprehensive campus-based mental health services, creating networking infrastructure to link the institution with healthcare providers from the broader community who can treat mental and behavioral health problems. Programming supported by the grant continued: promote mental health and substance abuse screening. Examples of past use include supporting National Depression Screening Day and providing training and forms for screening in primary care. Train a student peer network to promote mental health, identify students in distress, and refer to appropriate local resources. Develop and implement educational programs. Create local college-based hotlines and/or promote linkage to the crisis text line, text 741-741, and the National Suicide Prevention Lifeline, 1-800-273-TALK. Programming supported by the grant continued: informational materials that address warning signs of suicide, describe risk and protective factors, and identify appropriate actions to take when a student is in distress, as well as the materials that describe symptoms of depression and substance abuse, promote help-seeking behavior, and reduce the stigma of seeking care for mental and behavioral health problems. Educational materials for families of students to increase awareness of potential mental and behavioral health issues of students enrolled at the institutions of higher education. Areas of focus: The Ohio Program for Campus Safety and Mental Health developed its comprehensive approach to mental health on campus based on the Suicide Prevention Resource Center and the JED Foundation's model. Applicants are encouraged to choose one or more of the bullets from the diagram below to address with grant funds. In these next few slides, we will review examples of past grant recipients and how they utilize funding. Please note, there is no audio to these slides. How to apply for the grant. Visit us online to apply or scan the QR code with your phone's camera. If awarded the grant, you will need to register your organization in sam.gov. Be sure to fill in all information in the automated application system. Once you are done answering all of the questions, be sure to email your supporting documents to opcss@neomed.edu or look for the new upload feature. When finished, you will be taken to a confirmation page. This will verify your application was submitted. Applications will be available in mid-July 2022. The Ohio Program for Campus Safety and Mental Health offers participants the ability to post messages on interactive platforms, i.e. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Zoom, YouTube, etc. The messages posted on such forums are public. While the Ohio Program for Campus Safety and Mental Health encourages open discussion, topics of conversation may result in making some participants uncomfortable. We encourage you to take a moment and take care of yourself. Be sure you stay connected. Visit our webpage, check out our YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter. All grant questions or inquiries may be emailed to opcssmh@neomed.edu. Thank you and have a great day.